Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your address in the USCIS online account. So this is helpful because it makes sure that USCIS has your correct contact info so that you don't miss important updates or mail. So after you sign in, go to my USCIS to open your account and click my account and then choose profile. So in here you can see your pending cases like the N400 or the I-751. So select your case, scroll down, and then you'll see your case details and then contact info in the USCIS has on file. So to change your address, click the link that says submit a change of address request. So read the disclosures because you need to finish in one session. So then click change my address. So step one. So in here you need to confirm your name and date of birth and then click next. So step two, enter your new physical address. So if your mailing address is the same, select yes. If not, select no, and then enter your mailing address, and then click next. And step three, confirm your immigration info and make sure your receipt number is there. If you have more than one pending case, add the other receipt number too. So click next. And finally, review everything, certify, and click submit. You'll see the status as submitted, and then later it should be updated to the address change. So thank you so much for watching, and for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and leave a like, and I'll see you on the next one.